What's up, everyone? It is Jason Jani from the SCE Event Group. We're here at home base, the Shadowbrook at Shrewsbury, and I'm super excited for tonight's wedding. We put a lot of time and energy into making today possible. We're here getting ready to help Alexa and Anthony celebrate their wedding reception, SCE style, and again, we've put so much time and energy into curating an experience that is gonna just hit and connect perfectly for this incredibly cool, incredibly creative couple. So I wanted to walk you through the back end of our equipment here and show you what we're using for this celebration tonight, and just take you on a little bit of a booth tour with me, because I am just about ready to switch up my equipment and we're going to be moving some things around. So let's take you on a tour with what we're using, the equipment that we have here on deck, and just walk you through everything. So let's kind of start on this side of the back of our setup, and we'll show you it from the front end too, but I'm going to start from the back. So first and foremost, we've got a 35-pound tank right here with a brace, and it's wrapped, and we're using that with our Club Cannon CO2 gun. On the bottom plate, we have a LeMaitre Radiance hazer. This is like my favorite hazer because you can really dial it in to just drip a little bit of haze out every so often, and that just gives the perfect look. I guess it creates the perfect ambiance for the lighting that we have here on site. We've got our tower, we've got our Antari snow machine, we've got our Chauvet Force S spot moving heads, and we've got 6 of them here tonight. I know I was talking about lighting. We're controlling the lighting tonight using the ulxd controller. It's my favorite controller for lighting. I've lost the software-based stuff with the computer to power my lights exclusively with the ulxd system, and I've done a bunch of videos on this platform here on the channel. Make sure that you tap into some of the links. I'm going to share them in the description of this video so you can kind of check them out. And if you're looking to elevate your lighting, do something a little bit different with your lighting, I would highly suggest that you check out the ulxd controller platform because it's just super dope. Sound system today, we're going to start with the subs. We're using 2 RCF TT18AS subs. These are the new gen speakers paired with the RCF TT-W4A tops. In addition to that, I've got a RCF TT-10A speaker in the back line here as a monitor for reference of the mix. Tonight we are here not only providing DJ entertainment, but we've got a number of fusion elements, live musician elements. We've got electric violin, we've got percussion, and we have saxophone that are all going to be laced into our experience for this evening. Coming over to my DJ booth, we're using our double Toadmatic booth that's been customized by yours truly, the Jason Jani edition here, using CDJ 3000s with an S11, all by Pioneer, not Alpha Theta. I'm still on that Pioneer DJ tip. We've got the Shure ulxd microphone system, Touch Mix 8, a bunch of different computers, a bunch of different power stuff, a bunch of different video equipment. We're using video on the front of the DJ booth. Kind of walking through the booth to the other side, we've got sparks in front of our stage, 10 spark fountains in front of our stage. We've got 2 additional spark fountains on the other side of the room when the newlyweds come down the stairs. We've got our Boss horn gun, which is gonna create a little bit of chaos later on. We also have a train siren here on deck. We've got an LSG with a 50-pound CO2 tank, providing our low-lying cloud effect, which is going to just look spectacular. We're using that for the first dance and for one of our featured moments with one of our signature musicians during the entree dinner service. That takes us through the equipment over here. In addition to the sound profile and all the gear that we have here on stage, we also have Snapshot Photo Booths, the photo booth division of the SCE Event Group here on site, with a super dope backdrop that the newlyweds have brought in themselves. And in addition to that, we've got our Frank Sinatra feature for the cocktail hour experience. This wedding is gonna be a wild ride, and I'm so excited to finally make this happen. We've put so much time, so much energy, and so much thought into curating an experience for this incredible couple. And again, we are just about ready to open doors, and I hope that you can check out the video that we put together and release here on the channel about what goes on for the celebration. Anyway, you got questions on the gear, on the equipment, or anything at all, I'd love to hear from you. Please hit me up in the comments down below. Make sure you smash the thumbs up button, and if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and joining me supporting the hustle and all that goes on here on the channel. put a lot of content out each and every week to help DJs see things from a different perspective, my perspective, and what we do here at SCE. Anyway, thanks for checking this out. I look forward to hearing from you guys down in the comments below, and stay tuned.